I'm Andrea Pettitt with the Pettitt Group.
And I am Alice Schramm with the Pettitt Group, and I am the listing coordinator.
Alice and I have been working together for a long time and have a lot of experience getting listings ready for the market. So we want to talk to you today a little bit about some of the important considerations when listing a home.
Yes. So the biggest thing is going to be that home prep.
And home prep is getting everything perfect for the marketplace, right?
Yes.
And Alice and I work really well together as a team. Mm-hmm. A lot of people are a little intimidated at first when they learn that we have a team. They think, oh my gosh, are you going to take care of me? But actually we are. And Alice is the yin to my yang, the yang to my yin. I don't know. I don't know what it is. So when we've got a seller that's getting ready to sell their house, I'm working with them a lot on market strategy and price and an overview of getting the house ready. Mm-hmm. And you are working with them to give them those checklists and the things to do. Yeah. So let's talk about a few of those key items that our sellers are doing to get their house ready for the market. Yeah. Whether we are helping coordinate somebody to do it for them or they're doing it themselves. So the first thing would be cleaning, right?
Cleaning is like everything. We want to clean out the closets. You want to declutter your walls. That's cleaning. Cleaning the windows. Your exterior needs to be clean. Yard work needs to look good. And then a big thing is we are pet owners, so we understand. And I recently sold my home, so I do understand with 2 golden retrievers that they're hairy and they're smelly. And so making sure that you have a plan for your pets. And so I went overboard in making sure that everything was clean when it comes to the dog hair. Another thing would be like if you have a cat, that can be a turnoff for people. And so making sure you have a plan for the litter box and just toys, another thing. You know, most people love animals. They just don't want to see it when they're looking at a home. So that's like key when you're getting ready for like a nice clean home.
And that's something that we talk to our sellers about all the time. We talk about how are we structuring our showings so that we can be prepared, and how can we help in that process. What about things like, one thing that when we walk in your eye kind of goes to like things like grout and baseboards, and is that stuff important?
That's what's very important, because I know it's important for me as a buyer as well. I like to see the baseboards clean. The shower should be clean. Get all that hard water stains off. If you have a glass shower door, you want to get that off. And if it's something that you can't do, Andrea, our team, we have a great cleaning crew that we recommend. So.
We do so much work before that photo day in a listing. Why do we do all of this work with our clients?
We do all this work so that clients fall in love with the photos. They want to see it. We want to get you the most money for your home. We want people to see that you're prepared for it. I know that as a consumer myself, when I'm looking online, I'm falling in love with the photos before I even walk into that home.
And our job is really to get people to see your house in person and have their experience online be beautiful. But then it's sometimes those details in the house, that deep cleaning, that makes them walk in the door and fall in love all over again.
Yeah, so they can envision it when they walk in. They're like, this is exactly what I saw online, but so much better. Like they just fall in love when they walk in the door.
Right. It smells great.
Yes.
It looks great.
Yeah.
It feels
I'm all
great.
about the smell. So
You are. You have a keen nose. So it's always important. And you're an asset to our sellers when you walk in and you notice things. It's important. Yeah. So Alice, when we sit down with our sellers and we're working with sellers, sometimes they'll say to me, well, I think we can get the house listed and then I'm going to move all these things into storage because I don't really have time to do that before the photo day. What would you say to that?
No, everything needs to be ready for photo day. I am pretty strict about that. Photo day.
Yes. Alice is our timekeeper. And why? Yeah, because we're creating a product launch. In the real estate market, there are actually a lot of channels that we are tapping into to market your home. There's an online social media presence. There's an Instagram presence. There's Facebook paid advertising. There's everything on our website, on the Sotheby's website. And so all of these things, we are doing everything at once to launch because we want your house to be so sexy and so in demand because buyers who are excited by a new listing, who want to see it right away, get emotionally vested, and we end up getting more money in the process because we want to get you the top dollar. Why else do you hire a professional, right? And Allison and I work really great together to attend to every step in the process so that the house is 100% market ready and that you are ready to get those offers on your listing.
Yes.
Totally. So when we're getting a house ready for the market and we're talking to a home seller, one of the hardest things is to be the taskmaster, right?
Yeah,
and I don't like to tell people that they have to, do all of this hard work to get their house ready for the market, but I also want to get them the most money possible for their sale. Yeah. And so it's really great to work with you and work together because you are somebody that drives the process and helps to make sure that all of the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed. In the process we're working with sellers, what are your favorite things?
I just want to emphasize I'm here to help you and Andrea. It's so important as a seller, as an agent, and me as a listing coordinator that we just all work together. We want you to get top dollar for your home. We want people to fall in love with your home as you did at one point in your life.
So thank you so much for joining us today to talk a little bit about getting a house ready for the market and how we at the Pettitt Group work together as a team to make that happen. Yes, we have a lot of fun. So please reach out. Our contact information is here on the website. I'm Andrea Pettitt with the Pettitt Group, and this is Alice Schramm on our team, and we can't wait to work together.